Relationship intelligence can be defined as automatic capture of emails and meetings with contacts in your network. Once that data is captured, we can score and rate the strength of those relationships over time. In this scenario, I will be a deal professional in the private equity landscape. My primary responsibility is direct sourcing. I'm focused on origination and I'm looking for companies to go out and buy. I need to develop those relationships with the companies that I've identified and also potentially see and identify the relationships that exist today at that particular company. To start my day, I'm going to go ahead and execute the sourcing channel on the left-hand side. On the proprietary dashboard, this will call out all of the target companies that I'm responsible for today. In the widget below, you can see the company name by tier, as well as the stage of this particular opportunity, who the relationship owner is. In this case, it is myself, who is the deal professional, PE demo, and our primary contact. Upon looking at this widget, I can see and identify that we have a very strong relationship with Jordan Gasbarre over at Gap Solutions Incorporated. Furthermore, I can also identify that that strongest relationship is actually with a colleague of mine, Sally Sales. This to me enables an opportunity to reach out to Sally Sales and use her to potentially reach out to Gap Solutions and spark up a conversation. Now I'm going to go ahead and come into Gap Solutions as a company profile, and I want to identify more existing relationships with this particular firm. By executing the company detail page, this now has landed me on the company profile for Gap Solutions. Any relationship intelligence that the team has captured over time is going to be found on the contacts profile. Now, before I decide to reach out to my primary contact, Jordan, another opportunity has been found on this page. I can see that not only Sally Sales has a great long-standing relationship with the CEO of the company, but I can also identify board members who have relationships with other colleagues as well. This dashboard is very important. Not only can we aggregate all of this information and really understand the strength of colleagues to companies, but also it gives me an understanding of which individuals on the DealCloud side I can reach out to further understand the ins and outs of Gap Solutions and leverage those relationships to develop the company relationship further.